Hello my students, our grade 3. Today we'll explain lesson number 2, topic 6. The area, non-standard units. We explained before area of square and area of rectangle. Area of square side by side and area of rectangle length times width. You can in this lesson count unit squares to find the area of the shape. Okay, and use also the rule, okay, as you like. Look at this picture. Find the area of card each grid. What do you notice about the size of the postcard on each grid? What do you notice about the area of the postcard on each grid? Explain. We can find the area by count how many square units here. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 times 6, 24. 24 square units. And here we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 count. We have 6 square units. Then you can count all units which is a shape contains of it. You can count like this. We have 6 square units, and here will be 24 square units. There are more square units here. They are not equal, okay? Look back. Are the measurements of the areas of the postcard shown above the same? No, because the areas of this poster 1, poster 2 different. First was 24 and second was 6. And the area about units different. The areas are the same, but the measurement are different because the unit square are different. Next page, train designs a bookmark for a book. How much or how can you use unit squares to find the area of the bookmark? We can write length by width to find the area. You can count the number of unit squares. We have 32 square units, or we draw the size of square difference, then we have square units about big square. And we have different in the area. Look at here. How are the areas of these two squares alike and how are they different? Each square has an area of 16, but the first square and second units here were small. Each square has an area of 16 units. The unit squares are not the same size, and they are measuring different amount of space. Which of these shapes has an area of 5 square units? How do you know? We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here also they are equality. Both of them will be equal. Simple answer, each shape can be covered by 5 units squared, so they each have an area of 5 units. Do unit square to cover figures and then find the area. These are unit squares shown. We have here 1, 2 square units up, and here we can count square units about the different units. Next, you can count also how many squares here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 4 is 24. And here we have 6 square units. Count 1, 2, 3, and here count all to be 27 square units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 square units, and here 16 square units about 1 small unit. Then find the area of this figure 14 square unit. Draw unit squares to cover it. We can draw outside line to cover it. Loki eats 6 grapes from the bow. Then Jan and Locke equally share the grapes left. How many grapes does John eat? Show how you used reasoning to solve the problem. Give me the price. We have 24 grapes. Okay, 24 grapes here. Look, eat 6 grapes from the bowl. We can write 24 subtract by 6 equal 18 first. Then the remainder divided by 2 persons here. We asked then John and Luke equally share. We can divide it together. 18 divided by 2 equal 9. John eats 9 grapes. Find the difference first and then find the answer divided by 2. Next question. Reese estimates that the area of this figure is 45 square units, and Mart estimates there are area 48 square units. Whose estimation closer to the actual number? Look at here. You can count lengths and widths. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 8 is 40. And the first number or second number needs to 40, 45, nearest to 40, okay? Then the area equal 40 square units, then 45 is closer to 40 than 48. Few wants to cover the top of small table with square tiles. The table is 12 square tiles long and 8 square tiles width. How many tiles will you need to cover it? The answer will be product between 12 and 8. You can product together to number. Write 8 product by 12. We can use distributive properties. 12 equal 10 plus 2. 8 product by 10 plus 8 product by 2. 8 times 10 equal 80 and 2 times 8 equals 16. 6 plus 0 6 and 8 plus 1 equal 9. The result will be 96. Assessment practice. Rick used a smaller unit like this to count or find the area, and found the area of this shape is 18 square units. If he used the large unit square, what would the area shape will be? What? Count with me. We can find the area here 18. 18 divided by 2 equal what? Equal 9. If he used the larger unit square, what would the area, the shape be? We can divide it by 2 parts. It will be 2 square units. Because he count here 18. If you draw this square down, we have 2 square will do drawing. And the answer will be 2 square units. Okay. In this lesson, we know the difference between area 1 and area 2. Okay. Area 1, we can find the area by counting the units about small square. The area here was 18. But if we used the other units, here lies large square, we can count 1 and 2 squares. The 18 divided by 2 parts. They will be divided by 2 parts. Not 18 now, okay? Understood? So if he asked about small units, the area will be 18. And asked about the greater units, the area will be 2 only, because we divided about this rectangle about 2 squares. Okay. And last question also. Here, 12 product by 8, I producted. You can find the answer in one step by tables. You know, 8 product by 12 is 96, or use distributive properties to find the answer. Okay.